Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about generators in Python. Generally, we write functions like add a comma b, and it will return a plus b. But if I want to write a function such that it will return all the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in a single function, can I use return? Let us see. Let's operations. It will take two inputs, and it will return a plus b, returns a minus b, a multiplied by b, a divided by b. So if I call this function, and if I print this, see what happens. So we got only return a plus b, and the remaining statements are ignored. So there comes a statement called yield statement. Now, if I change this to yield, let us run this. So we got a generator object. So now this operations function is called generator. So because we didn't get any value here because we printed the object, so we need to store this in a variable. Okay. Now, since this will give the sequence of values, now let us iterate this. For I in a print I. So we got addition. 8 plus 9 is 17. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. 8 into 9 is 72. 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. And 8 divided by 9 is 0. So this is the use of generator function, generators in Python. So the difference between the generator function and normal function is normal function will use a return statement, and generators use yield statement, and we can run this function as many times as possible. So when we run the function, the first yield will tell that there are other yields also available, and it maintains the count of this. And till the last yield, it will run and it will give the values. So if I am not iterating the values, I can use next. I can use the next methods. Okay.